Anybody else got some questions for today?
Good morning, Arlissa. This is Sandra.
Hey, Sandra.
Hey. I'm having a little trouble determining how to calculate my profit when I do the straddles.
Okay.
Can you just hit that real quick?
Yep. I was thinking, that's a very good question. I was thinking do a percentage point. So if you, let's say your straddle costs you, let's say your straddle costs you $500, right? A percentage of that, I would think maybe like a 25% of this 500 is going to be $100, right? You should pick some comfortable 20, 25, 30%, something like that. It's going to be, I want to call it reasonable, right? A reasonable amount. If you're thinking about, 50%, that's going up $250. It's possible, but I'd want to go with, something sure. So maybe what you could do is for your profit target, you could put in the 50% profit target because you'd be hopefully watching it. And then if what you saw it started to turn back or whatever, started to do something different than what you wanted, then you could adjust it. 30%. I've statistically, 30% return on something is very doable, very realistic. So put in for $100. So let's say when you bought it, you paid $5. It's because they were about 540 this morning before the market opened. Of course, that's going to probably change as the day goes on. And I don't even know if somebody else can speak to it. I don't really I'm not intelligent. I wouldn't be able to speak intelligently about the timing of when you should enter this. There's a lot of volatility is going to happen today, and all the prices are going to be, in my opinion, are going to be exacerbated because of the volatility. So things are going to cost a little more than they normally would. So let's say you spend $500 on a SPY straddle, right? You pay $500. Then you can put in your close order. You can put in your limit in your close order. You're going to want to put in, let's say if you're going to do the 150, you're going to put 6.5 because you're going to add the 150 to that. Okay, so this is, if you want, this will be for your profit here. You can do one of those two stop orders or 2-part orders. If you want to put your stop in, maybe you put your stop loss in at, whatever your risk tolerance is, right? Let's say, for example, it's $50. Then you want to put in your stop limit at 450. Whatever you pick, right? That's going to be up to you. What you see as your stop loss, your ability. So if you did, 200 on the limit, maybe you did 100 on the stop loss. If you're going to make 200, you're willing to risk 100 to do that. I think you should definitely have a plan for both sides though. What are you looking at for a profit target? And what are you looking at for a stop loss?